Having trouble navigating the MySHSMD online member community? We've created a series of quick tutorials to help you find your way around and make the most out of your membership. To get started, head over to the shsmd.org website. From the main navigation bar, hover over the My Community section and select MySHSMD Online Member Community from the drop-down menu. Once you land on the community page, you'll need to log in to see your personalized content. Just click the green login button in the top right-hand corner. You'll then be taken to our login page. Simply enter your email address and password and click Login. Now that you're logged in, let's set up your profile. There are two easy ways to get there. You can either click My Profile right from the main navigation bar or click the down arrow in the top right corner and select Profile. Once you're on your profile page, you can upload a headshot, add a brief bio, connect your social media links, update your contact info, and fill in your demographics. You also have quick access to your connections, contributions, and preferences tabs, as well as your MySHSMD inbox. For a deeper dive into each of these tabs, watch the next tutorial. Be sure to check out all of our short videos to help you confidently navigate and utilize the MySHSMD community. Thanks for watching and happy navigating!